Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to announce the second winner in my Thankful November subbie giveaway. I am thanking my subbies all month long of November for the support they have given me. I reached 500 subbies last month in October, and so random times throughout this month, I'm just doing giveaways. You have to be a visible subscriber. You have to be 18 years or older. You can be international or US. And you just follow the instructions, whatever it was. And for this one, I'll leave the link to the original video announcing the second giveaway here. And you were to tell me your favorite vacation spot. So let me pull up the URL from the random comment picker and we will get started. Okay, let's try this again. I put the link to the video in the random YouTube picker URL section. Sorry, my dog is barking. And we are going to get the YouTube comments. Oh, here we go. We have 32. So they needed to tell me what vacation spot was their favorite. So whoever gets picked, if there's not a vacation spot in the comment, I'm going to redraw. And then they have to be a visible subscriber, and they're not visible after I do the draw. I'll come back on later and do another draw. So here we go. Good luck, ladies. Thank you for all your love and support. And my winner is Lorraine Barton from New Beginnings. Lorraine, congratulations. So just email me, Lorraine. I'm not sure if I have your mailing address, but my email is in the link in the description box below. You will find my email address. So just let me know that you've seen this video and email me your address. Email me your mailing address and I will get this in the mail to you. Thank you so much for your love and support. Thank you to all of you. If you're returning, welcome back. If you're new here, I would love for you to join my crafty journey. Click the subscribe button and you'll be notified the next time I do upload for a giveaway. If you have crafty friends you think would like this kinds of videos, I do crafty videos as well as Disney videos. Please consider sharing this with them. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!